All right, good morning, guys. This week we're gonna do a review 9, and tomorrow we'll do review 10. And then Thursday we will take our last test. It's not a final. It doesn't count as a final. It counts as a regular fourth quarter grade. But it'll be our last paper and pen test, and then we'll do some projects for the last few weeks. It should only take you a half hour, 45 minutes. I'll give it to you on Thursday, and you can give it to me on Friday, and then we'll make Friday a makeup day. All right, so this is just talking about binomial distribution, so we'll go over 2 problems today. First of all, to get binomial distributions, you have to hit second vars and go down to A or B. All right, so if you look at this, it says equals. Equals is PDF, so I'm going to use A. All right, my number of trials is my N, so that's 10. My probability is 0.55, and my X value is 7. Enter, 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 and my probability is 0.166. All right. Now, number 2, you see it's less than, so this is going to be CDF. But remember, when it's less than, that means this, I got to take this 6. I want it less than 6, so I don't want it to be 6. So I'm going to make it, and my X value to be 5. Take 1 away. So I do second vars down to letter B this time. Trials is 11. Probability is 0.44. That should be a point. That's a typo. And my X value is 5. So my probability is 0.659. All right, you don't have to subtract this from 1 because less than is lower. If it was, at least, or if this was greater than or equal to, then you would have to subtract that answer from 1. All right, and we're going to do one more together. We'll do number 5, the linear regression one. All right. So first off, it says write an equation for a linear regression, round everything to nearest 100. So first I hit stat. I type in period 1 into L1, so 84, 90, 87, 81, 72, 74, 82, 88, 92, 98, 77, and 88. And then L2 will be period 4, 78, 86, 75, 82, 74, 61, 85, 83, 90, 82, 81, 93. All right, and then I hit stat. I go to calculate, and I go to linear regression because it says line of best fit, linear regression. There's another typo. It should be an N there. L1, L2. Calculate. So I got Y equals, it says round to the nearest 100, so I got 0.67x plus 24.48. Number 2 says, what's the correlation coefficient? You see how I don't have it here? So I'm going to hit second 0. And I'm going to go down to letter D. Diagnostics on. Turn on. And then hit stat. Do the same thing I did before. Number 4. And now my correlation coefficient, 0.61, is there. All right, if yours is already there, awesome. It should be there after you do it the first time. But if it's not already there, then just put it there and you'll be good to go. All right, now it says predict to the nearest integer. The test force score, that would be the correlation of 91 from a student in period 1. So period 1 is X. So I'm going to use my equation. Y equals 0.67. X is 91 plus 24.48. Use my calculator. 0.67 times 91 plus 24.48 is 85.45. It says to the nearest integer, so Y is 85. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at robert.mcconi@riverhead.net. Remember, you are going to have your last test on Thursday. And one thing I do want to mention, I'm really sorry I couldn't come on Friday. I wanted to be there. It was my son's 6th birthday, considering that he, couldn't have any friends over or see any of his friends. I thought I should at least be there for his dinner, which we had ice cream for dinner. So You know, he got the pick. But yeah, really, I'm sorry I didn't show up. And hopefully, I could see you guys one more time at some point. All right. Take care. And if you have any questions, email me. Have a nice day. Bye.